This is the tutorial for how to create your atomic bomb art gallery. You should have this assignment sheet that explains exactly what's going to happen. Your task is to create a digital art gallery with artwork and artifacts from the 2 atomic bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. You're going to make a Google Slides presentation and narrate it with Screencastify. 2 resources that I recommend are both from Google Arts and Culture: the Nagasaki Atomic Bomb Museum and the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum. You're going to gather 10 images that you want to use from Google Arts and Culture or from another source. I recommend downloading and appropriately naming each file so that you can find them easy. Create a Google Slides presentation with an all-black background so that the images stand out. You need to create a title slide and name it Atomic Bomb Digital Art Gallery with your name. You then place each image on a single slide of your presentation. Center the image and try to get it as big as possible. Then you're going to reflect on each image using the image script organizer to begin organizing your thoughts. This is the image script organizer. Each image will have 3 questions. What is happening in this image? How does this image show the horrors of dropping the atomic bomb? And why did you choose this image? You will answer all 3 questions for each image. Here's an example of what mine looks like. So for my first image, I talked about how this image shows ground zero of where the bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. I then talk about how it shows the destruction and how much destruction there was. And finally, I talk about why I chose the image. If I were continuing with this, I would write the same responses or similar responses for each image that I'm analyzing. Once I've filled out my image script organizer, I'm going to begin the narration portion. Well, actually, first I'm going to double check everything. Do I have a Google Slides presentation title slide? Do I have 10 images on 10 separate slides? And do I have my image script organizer completely filled out? If all this is solid, I'm going to begin to record your screen with Screencastify, much like I'm doing here. Here are the steps. You click on the Screencastify Chrome extension. It looks like this. It's a little arrow. Mine has a little red circle because I'm currently recording. You select Desktop, enable microphone. Do not enable webcam because it will have a picture of yourself down here. Click Record, select your entire screen, click Share, and you will begin narrating your art gallery using the image script organizer. After it says 3, 2, 1. For an example of what my my art gallery looks like, I have my title page. Here are my images. And I'm going to create a separate example project so that you can reference what I'm looking for as far as this project is concerned. So that is how you go about creating this project. I'm going to be around all week to help out. Thank you very much.